Hi friends, thanks for being back on my channel. I hope everybody are doing well. If you like my video, then please do subscribe and share. Well, today's topic is about dry hair oil with a mix of ginger, clove, mustard oil and coconut oil. Well, let's start of making the oil. Well, take mustard oil and coconut oil in equal quantities, because if you take mustard oil of 50 ml, then take the coconut oil also in 50 ml only, so that there is no any variations in the quantity. Because both oils are very beneficial for the hair. Mustard oil will definitely dyes your hair and coconut oil will moisturize your hair. So both the oils are very beneficial for the healthy hair. Totally, I mixed the two oils in one bottle because I will be using this bottle only for the daily purpose, before hair wash and after the hair wash. So first of all, heat the two oils on the stove. Well, the oil got heated, so now take the ingredients you want to mix in the oil. So first of all, I've taken the ginger pieces. So if you cut the ginger into pieces, so that oil gets absorbed into it. So absorbing into the ginger is very best, and along with the ginger, cloves also. So I have added the both ingredients in the oil. You see how it's bubbling. See, totally the ingredients got immersed in the water. See, one is clove and one is ginger, no doubt. I have added the both ingredients only in the oil, nothing else apart from it. After the oil cools down, you can take it into the bottle again and you can use daily. This will be very beneficial for dandruff and if you have any problem of white hair also, this oil is very best. So thank you. If you like my video, then please do subscribe and share. Moreover, please be in touch with my channel. If you be in touch, you can get more.